In this episode of our OM-1 Mark II filmmaking adventure, I'm going to run you through what lenses I choose depending on the subject and the location. So let's go exploring, and I'll talk you through what I choose when and where.
I've come down to this awesome waterfall today, and the lens I've chosen to have with me is the 12-40. This is my go-to documentary lens. It enables me to have nice wide shots and zoom in and get those tighter shots when I see something that catches my eye.
Filmmaking adventures require a certain level of spontaneity. You never know what you might see. So when I'm changing locations, beside me in the car, I always have the 40-150 on the camera, ready for me to be able to jump out and capture what I might come across. With this lens, I've filmed koalas that I've spotted in the trees above me.
Hi, Joey.
Lizards, tawny frogmouth owls, which are so hard to spot. This morning I've come out into the Australian bush with the 100-400 zoom lens. The stability of this lens when it's at max zoom blows me away. So far this morning I've already managed to capture an eagle, and then just as we were driving along we saw some kangaroos sunbathing on the road, and I managed to get some shots of those. And thanks to this lens, some pretty tight shots considering how far away they were before they then scarpered off into the bushes. And last but not least, the fixed prime lenses like this one, the 25mm 1.2 or the 17mm 1.2, is wonderful for getting those pieces to camera and those beautiful detailed close-up shots. It has a snap ring, so we can easily switch from auto to manual focus, which I love when I'm shooting at 1.2 and I'm getting those super detailed, shallow depth of field close-up moments.